Hello everyone, welcome to e-learning skills, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can record yourself or put yourself into a TV screen like this. So all you need to open your inshot app. We are going to use inshot app. Click on the video, new project. Then we are going to click create a blank video. You can put up to the time that you want your blank video to be. Then we are going, next thing to do, we are going to put the background of our video. I'm going to choose that background, click OK, and then click where is written PIP. Then we are going to click where is written material, and you're going to choose this kind of picture here, the TV screen picture. Resize until it fits the window, then click on it, clip to the end. Then we are going also to click on PIP, click where is written material, and then we are going to use this kind of transition, this transition that is written here. And then here is the trick that you need to do: resize it until it fits the window. Then all you just need to do, you need to click to the TV screen so that it may goes to the back. If you don't do like that, it won't fit clearly. Then also the next thing, click on PIP, then click the video, import the video that you want to use next. I'm going to use this video, resize until it fits the window, then send it back. So this is how you can add yourself to a TV screen using an inshot app, and here is the final results.
Hello guys, my name is Brian. I'm Steve. Welcome to e-learning skills, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can clone yourself using your phone and using an app known as inshot.